it is Maya Uten here, and I am super fired up and excited to bring you this video on how to use the Fat Blaster kit, guys. So I know you've just gotten your kit in the mail and you're like fired up, pumped up, ready to go. I just want to applaud you right now for making the first step. Taking the first step is the most important to investing in your health, because there's nothing more important than you and your health, guys. So let's get into it right now. So you are going to take, simply, this is the E-cell, right? So you're just gonna spray 8 sprays under the tongue. You're going to hold it for 30 seconds and then swallow. And then you're gonna follow it by the Trim 365, 8 sprays under the tongue, hold for 30 seconds and then swallow. And then you got the Core Keto, guys, 8 sprays under the tongue, hold for 30 seconds and swallow. So now you're just gonna do this twice a day, okay? Just twice a day. So normally in the morning, you could just spray, okay? And then you gotta wait though, 15 minutes before you eat a meal. So whatever time you choose to do this, just know that you have to wait 15 minutes before you eat your meal, okay? So if you got 3 sprays, that's only gonna last you 2 weeks, okay? So the whole kit, the month supply, the Fat Blaster kit is 6 sprays, guys. So just know that. So 6 sprays is gonna last you a month. But I'm super excited, super fired up, and I'm just excited to hear more about all these testimonies that are gonna come in of your weight loss and your health goals. So I'm here, your coach, Maya Uten, health and wellness specialist. Get back to the person who shared this video with you and have an amazing day, my friends. God bless you.